Hey guys, this is Sam here again, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create your custom email address. Okay, so just to give a quick recap of what we have done so far, we we got our custom domain registered. Then in the next video we set up a hosting account, and in the third video we linked a hosting account with a custom domain. In the fourth video we installed WordPress in a hosting server in a custom domain, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create your custom email address. Okay, so let's get to it. So like I mentioned in the previous videos, that we'll need this email that we received from HostGator. So let's go and open this email, and within this email click on your control panel link or cPanel, and then type in your username and password. Let me go and get the password from the email. Copy and put it right here, paste, and then log in, and it will bring you to your cPanel dashboard. Okay, so once you're in your cPanel dashboard, what I want you to do is, on the left hand side you'll see a lot of these options. I want you to click on this email link. Okay, so on the left menu, click on email link, and it will bring you to your email section on your dashboard. So what we're gonna do is, first thing, I want you to go and click on authentication, because there are two settings that we want to make sure that they are enabled. So these are the two settings, DKIM and SPF. Now these two settings need to be enabled to make sure that your email has the maximum deliverability. Okay, and it's not going to be marked as a spam. So seems like HostGator has already enabled these two options for me, because I see disable buttons here. So that means that these two options are already enabled by default, so we don't have to do anything about it right now. But in case if you see any of these buttons enabled, just make sure that you set it to disable. You basically enable it so that they show up as disable. Okay, so once this is done, I want you to go back to your email section by clicking on the left navigation bar, of course. And once you're on your email section, what I want you to do is click on this link right here, email accounts. Okay, so once you click on this, under this add email section, we'll type the email that we want, the custom email. So as you can see, it already has my custom domain name right here, at topmarketingguru.com. So I want all my emails to go out as Sam when I start doing my email marketing campaigns. So I'm just gonna send email as Sam at topmarketingguru.com. So whatever email that you want, just type it right here, give some password. And I'm not going to worry too much about the strength of the password, because this is just my demo account, but make sure that you give some really good strength password. Okay, so once you enter your password, under this mailbox quota, click on unlimited, because you don't want to limit this particular email, because all your business related emails are going to go from this email account, and also you'll receive any emails coming to you from your customers, you'll receive it at this email address. So we don't want to limit this email. Okay, so just make sure that this unlimited radio button is checked. Okay, once this is done, all you have to do is just go ahead and click on create account button, and that's it. If you scroll down further, you'll see this message, account created, and within under email accounts, you'll be able to see that your account that you just created, email account Sam at topmarketingguru.com, has been listed. So we have already successfully created a custom email address. You can create multiple email addresses. If you want to create a separate email for support, separate email for customer service, separate email for tech support, you can create multiple email addresses. Okay, and then Once this is done, one last thing I want you to do is again click on your email link on the left navigation bar, and once you come to your email section on your dashboard, where's the email section? Yeah, there you go. I want you to go ahead and click on this link, email forwarders. Okay, click on that link and you'll come to this page, and then once you are on this page, I want you to go and click on add forwarder. Okay, so what we are trying to do is basically we want to add basically the email address that we just created. We want to put that email address right here. So I'm going to put Sam here. At is already there. topmarketingguru.com is already selected from the drop down box. And if you have multiple domains, just make sure that you have the domain selected, that for the correct domain selected in your drop down box. Okay, and then what I want to do is under destination, I want to put the email address that I use or I use often, or I check often, because this email I'm not going to check very often. So but I don't want to miss out on any email that comes to this particular address. So by doing this, what I'm telling HostGator is that any email that comes to Sam at topmarketingguru.com, also forward a copy of that email to this particular address, which I check more often. And if you see any warning or something like this pop up, just ignore that, because they are just trying to tell you that, asking you to buy another Gmail filter service and stuff, which you don't need at this point. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I just want this email to be forwarded to the email that I check more often. And once this is done, all you have to do is just click on add forwarder. And that's it. It says all emails sent to Sam at Top Marketing Guru will now be copied to this particular email address. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this tutorial. You're all set with some of these basic tools that you need, basic setup that you need, and in the next modules I'm going to dig deeper a little bit more into sales funnel and bunch of other things, and I'm going to start showing you how to start using all these accounts that we have set in these videos, how to start using them to actually create a sales funnel. All right, so I'll see you in the future videos, my friend. Take care. Bye.